Anxiety. It's a part of life. We all experience it in different forms and intensities. Sometimes it can feel overwhelming, like a storm brewing inside us. But what if I told you there's a way to navigate through this storm with a sense of calm and control? The Stoics believed it doesn't have to control us. They developed timeless techniques to manage fear and worry. These techniques, rooted in ancient wisdom, are still incredibly relevant today. They offer us a roadmap to navigate the complexities of modern life with a clear mind and a steady heart. Epictetus taught that it's not events that disturb us but our judgments about them. When anxiety strikes, pause and ask yourself, is this fear rooted in reality or just my perception? This simple question can create a powerful shift in your mindset, helping you to see things more clearly and respond more rationally. Journaling can help you gain clarity. Write down your thoughts, challenge them, and see them for what they are. Just thoughts. This practice not only helps in organizing your mind but also in identifying patterns in your thinking that may be contributing to your anxiety. Over time, you'll find that your journal becomes a trusted companion in your journey towards inner peace. The dichotomy of control is another powerful tool. Separate what you can control from what you cannot. This principle encourages you to focus your energy on things within your power, like your actions, thoughts, and responses, rather than wasting it on things beyond your control. Focus your energy on actions within your power, like your response and preparation. Stressing over an email? Take a moment to breathe and think before you react. This approach not only reduces anxiety, but also leads to more thoughtful and effective communication. You can't control others' reactions, but you can control your own actions. Respond thoughtfully, not impulsively. This mindful approach to interactions can transform your relationships and reduce the stress that often comes from misunderstandings and conflicts. Next, let's talk about premeditatio malorum, or the premeditation of evils. This practice involves calmly imagining worst-case scenarios. By doing this, you prepare your mind for potential challenges, reducing the fear of the unknown. Walk through them in your mind. Visualize the challenges you might face and how you'll handle them. This mental rehearsal builds resilience and equips you with strategies to deal with adversity calmly and effectively. This reduces fear and prepares your mind for adversity, making you more resilient. When you face difficulties, you'll find that you're better prepared to handle them with grace and strength. Remember, Stoicism isn't about eliminating anxiety completely. It's about managing it with clarity and purpose. By integrating these techniques into your daily life, you can cultivate a sense of inner peace and resilience that helps you navigate through life's ups and downs. Your peace lies within you. It's a state of mind that you can nurture and develop through consistent practice and self-reflection. So, the next time anxiety creeps in, take a deep breath, reflect on these Stoic techniques, and remember, you've got this. You have the tools and the wisdom to face any challenge with calm and confidence. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us continue to bring you valuable content. Stay calm, stay strong, and remember, the power to manage your anxiety lies within you.